Hello, here at Cisco Kids. We would like to welcome you to today's CCNA study topic, where we'll be covering a TFTP server setup. Now you may be saying, TFTP server, what do I need it for? Where is it? Where do I get it? What is it used for? Well, the TFTP server is what's used by you to upload or upgrade the iOS on your Cisco router. It can also be used to upload a configuration file, and it can also be used to back up your iOS files and configuration files. So now that we have a little bit of an idea of what the function of the TFTP server is, maybe saying, hey, well, where do I get one? Well, here at Cisco Kids, we've developed our own TFTP server, and we're giving it away to you for free so you can practice these valuable CCNA administrative skills. The download location is at www.cisco-CCNA-TFTP-server/. And if you go to that link, you'll be able to download the TFTP server for free. So now I'm going to bounce on over to that page. This way you get an idea of what it looks like. And here's our TFTP server page. You can download this for free, as I said. And if you scroll down here, you'll see the actual download link. So you click right here to download the CCNA TFTP server. Now some of the nice features of this server, it's going to work on all of your Microsoft operating systems, but it's multi-threaded, which will enable you to concurrently upload and download images from multiple network devices. This powerful TFTP server feature saves valuable time when managing a complex network with many devices. It can run as a service, so you don't have to worry about if something happens to the computer, it reboots or what have you. When it boots back up, the service is going to start. The TFTP server will be running. So if you have automated jobs such as backing up your configuration files every night, that can still happen. They'll be backed up to a TFTP server. And we can transfer files larger than 32 megabytes. Now, I've already downloaded the file, so what we're going to do is just bring you through the different screens of the setup. So if you download the TFTP server, we don't have it signed by Microsoft, so you'll get that normal prompt that this has not been digitally signed by Microsoft. So you have to trust the author, and if you want to trust us, that's great. If not, there's other products out there you could look at. And as you see, the install shield comes up. The installer prompts you. And finally, we get to the install shield wizard. Now, just prompt next to install it. You agree to the licensing agreement here that you are not going to, give our software away or sell it or anything along those lines. Next. You could change the directory that you want to install it to. We default to the your C drive, Cisco Kids TFTP server directory. You'll do a complete install and finally click install. So it'll install the Cisco Kids TFTP server. This takes about 30 seconds. And as it finishes up here, we will get our final screen, which asks us if we want to check off the box to launch the console right now. So we'll check that. We'll click finish. In a few seconds here, we're going to see the TFTP server console, and we'll explain some of the features on the console. Okay, that threw it over a little off to the side, so let's center that. You'll see here that the TFTP service status right now is stopped. So we're going to go up to click on server start, pending. Now it's running. It'll provide you feedback that it's started. Whenever there is an upload or a download, it will provide you feedback in this console window. Now it's saying that this TFTP server is 192.168.1.99. The local port it's running on is 69. And the server storage folder is c://cisco-kits TFTP server storage. So if you're going to upgrade the iOS on one of your routers, you have to have the bin file or the iOS file on your local TFTP server. So where do you put it? You put it in the server storage directory. Likewise, when you do a backup of a configuration file to the TFTP server, this will be placed in the c://cisco-kits TFTP/server storage folder. So that concludes our overview of the Cisco-kits TFTP server. We hope you found this video to be of use and that it helps you prepare for your Cisco CCNA certification. We are sure you will quickly find that real-world, hands-on experience is the best way to cement the CCNA concepts and help you pass your CCNA exam. For more information on how you can obtain affordable CCNA or CCNP study kits, as well as to find more of these valuable CCNA study topics, please visit us at www.ciscokits.com. The study topics can be found under the CCNA menu, CCNA Study Topics.